This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, May 4th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have pretty much a zonal flow across the country with a bit of a northwesterly flow across the Great Lakes in New England with a trough there and a trough digging in across the Pacific Northwest. We'll have a system, a disturbance that may spark a shower, about a 30 to 40% crack at that. Otherwise, there'll be some partly sunny skies around, but it'll be cooler. Highs in the 50s in the northeast to lower to middle 60s in the southwestern counties. On Monday, sunshine will be in full supply across the state with a few clouds around. Highs will be warmer than today with readings in the 60s to lower 70s. And that looks to also be the case here on Tuesday. The wind's out of the south, so it could be a few degrees warmer, mid-60s to mid-70s from northeast or north to southwest, with increasing clouds late in the day with the next storm system coming in. And that storm is going to be coming in here very late Tuesday night into the day Wednesday. We could see some showers and thunderstorms. We could see some severe weather on Wednesday. It'll be very warm. Highs will be in the upper 70s to lower to mid 80s. It'll be quite humid too. And that looks to also be the case here on Thursday, as well as the low pressure center will be over central Nebraska. The Gulf is open. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible. It'll be a bit cooler with a bit more clouds around. And then on Friday, the system will be moving through. We'll have a chance of showers and storms probably through about the first half of the day, with slowly clearing skies later in the day with readings in the 60s to lower 70s. And then on Saturday, we'll have some partly sunny skies with another storm system approaching from the north and west over the Dakotas. And that could come in here next Sunday with readings mainly in the upper 60s and 70s. You can see by next Sunday, you can see a little bit of a disturbance moving through the northern part of the country. That's going to be with the next storm that's going to come through here very late Saturday night into next Sunday. And that could bring a shower or possibly storm during the time frame of about late Saturday night through the midday Sunday. By Sunday afternoon, at this point, it'll be off to our east. Going into the extended period, here on May the 15th, we have a big trough over the east. We've been seeing this on model runs from time to time over the last couple of days. With the northwesterly flow aloft, that's going to bring the temperatures down, probably into the 60s for highs, with the warm air being built up over the west, where we could see some fairly warm temperatures there, and the winds will be turning around to the south. That'll keep this cool air only around a day or two if this is to be right. The end of the forecast on May 19th, now we have a trough over us with a ridge over the southwest. And if this is to be right, we'll have a storm system coming through. And as you can see here, we'd have a frontal system just departing the state with a bit of showers and thunderstorms. And with the height levels down, we could see some clouds and some sunshine that could billow up some afternoon showers with highs mainly in the 60s if this is to be right. Satellite image from last evening, we had one storm system moving off the coast, scraping the central and southern Florida with a few clouds, a couple of clouds over the Midwest, and also across the west with the next storm system. The watch warning map from last evening was so quiet. We only have some red flag warnings around Las Vegas, in western Oklahoma into south central Kansas, a few wind advisories. Elsewhere, and most elsewhere, it's fairly quiet. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts around here could be in excess of a half to 3/4 of an inch, and we could even see isolated heavier amounts in any places that get repeated thunderstorms.